All right, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday. We are heading from Kitty Hawk down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 3 or 4 nights at the Apache Family Campground. Gonna do some exploring of South Carolina from there, and then heading back up north and west, making our way back to California. So enjoy the scenery on our way from Kitty Hawk down to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, and we will touch bases with you when we get there. So enjoy. South Carolina. Water is like a bathtub. So warm. In contrast to the Pacific Ocean, where we'll be in a few weeks, and we'll bring that to you. Oh, that is cold. That is no Atlantic or Gulf Coast water. Yep. Holy smokes. But this water is 80 degrees. That water is 50 degrees. What'd you find?
Perfect.
It's got a little hole in it, so you can put a little string in it, put it around your neck.
On my ankle.
That close to the beach. There's the rig. There we go, hold on. I'm sure there's a lot of beach bars along all those high-rise buildings and everything. It's pretty warm today.
That's 88.
88?
Mm-hmm.
It's warmer than that. My truck said like 92.
Well, it's 90 on my wrist.
And the foot wash.
I sink anyway. Ew, don't show my ugly toes.
Cool water finally.
It's not cool.
Not cool, Baxter.
But it feels good. Our front door.
Good morning from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We've been here a couple days. Came over to the Discount Tire, my favorite tire shop, to get the tires rotated before we head back to California. We're going to be shoving off tomorrow morning, making our way back up to Kentucky, into Ohio, and then back to the West Coast from there. So getting the truck ready to go for the long haul home, coast to coast, getting back to California so we can unload the rig and then reload the rig to head up to the Pacific Northwest Alliance Rally in Oregon, and then up into the state of Washington to do the Puget Sound area with some friends of ours who just picked up a Paradigm 295 MK. To show you around, Myrtle Beach is pretty cool. Really like it here. I wish we had more time to spend here, but we will definitely be back to Myrtle Beach. So let's get the truck fixed up and get on the road. Good morning. Welcome back to Tires on the Road again, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today is a monumental day. It's day 34 of our trip. This is the apex of our trip to the East Coast. Today we're going to be heading back to actually northwest up to Greensboro, and then up to Columbus, Ohio, and then home from there. So gonna be missing Myrtle Beach, man. This place is awesome. Just been really relaxing the last couple days, kind of chilling out and getting ready for our big trek back west so we can get to the Pacific Northwest rally in Oregon. But stay tuned with us today as we make tracks northwest from here. Hopefully nothing too eventful, but we'll be wrapping up and getting out of here shortly. Heading out of the Apache. Little tight in here, but can't beat the location.
Nope.
Tons of stuff going on, fun activities, a great spot for, I'd say, a week maybe, unless you have one of these little houses back here.
Dibs on one in here. It's only 139,000.
Sold.
We could do.
You ready, Muggs? Muggsy has assumed the traveling position.
Yep.
Next stop, Greensboro, God willing. No trip is complete to the East Coast, or the Southwest, or the Southeast
Somewhere over here.
without hitting a Waffle House. Got to do it before we head up to Greensboro today.
I want to go back to California.
Good way to say farewell to Myrtle Beach is a send-off at the Waffle House.
So good.
In and out, man. Those people in there bust their you know what. It's just, you get in, you order, food's hot, served fresh right off the griddle, waffle iron, whatever it is. Good stuff. Well, originally we were going to leave at 8, and then we pushed it to 9.
Now it's 10.
And now it's a little after 10. It kind of shows you how excited we are to leave Myrtle Beach. We kind of keep just delaying it. So, got to do what we got to do now. Heading out, freeway coming up. Patriotism. Love it. Something else we learned about Myrtle Beach is they love their seafood buffets and mini golf. This is no joke. Like every half a mile there is a mini golf course or a seafood buffet. So, right on Myrtle Beach. Well, we wound up at Max Meadows, Virginia for the night. We pushed on through. Ooh, dog. We were going to stop in North Carolina for the night. We decided just to keep going, so we put another 2.5 hours in. What do you see?
Bunny rabbit.
I don't see no stinking bunny rabbits.
Right here. There.
Oh, there he is. Cute. So that'll get us a little bit closer up to Dayton, Ohio, where we're going to push through tomorrow. Tomorrow will be about an 8.5, 9-hour drive through West Virginia, so we can go to the Dayton KOA and be able to visit the National Air Force Museum here in a couple days. Actually, it'll be day after tomorrow. One museum that's been on my bucket list, a lot of rare aircraft there that I want to see, so we'll bring that to you. Not a lot happening on the road, which is great. We just need to keep pushing, and then after Dayton, we are going to beeline it back to the West Coast. We're going to stop in Heber City, Utah for 2 nights. It's kind of our spot before we go home to California, get our laundry done, clean the rig, just kind of get everything back in order, and then from there we'll push back to California. One fast dog. He wants to race you, Muggs. That's not his first time running up and down that fence. By the way, we're staying at the Pioneer Village Campground, and they have lots of grass out here for tent camping as well. Plenty of spots for RVs, very friendly, welcoming, and the grounds here are just absolutely gorgeous. I wonder if you could put a little raft in and float down this river when it gets warm, but very clear, clean water, just very gorgeous. So that's it for today. We will see you bright and early in the morning.